Hey everybody, welcome back to Rockwell Process Consulting. Today we're talking about the 10 easy steps to starting your own company. And today we're going to cover step number 9, which is promoting your company. The first 8 steps were building your company. Now you're at the point where you're ready to launch. So once you launch, you need to start promoting yourself and your company so that people know that you exist. So you can start creating content about your company, who you are, what your company is about, what you do, your services and products, and broadcast that to the world. Get it out there. So what I like to do is create either video content or text content, and I will start with those either on YouTube if it's a video, and then put that into my company page on LinkedIn, or start straight there if it's picture or text content straight onto my company page on LinkedIn. Then I will view my page as a member so that I'm looking at it from my personal account, and I'll share that on my personal account as well so that I get some cross promotion and activity on the site, so I get the algorithms going and get some engagement with my post. From there, I'll copy the link on my company page and put that into my other social media sites. So you get more audience, you get more views, and you're linking back to that common site. For me, that's my company LinkedIn page. So I'm trying to direct all of the traffic there to get the most traffic in one spot as possible. So you can put up information that you have been keeping track of, ideas that you were coming up with for content if you weren't quite ready to start doing that. And now you can start putting those in every day and just start creating content to put it out there. Whatever you come up with, somebody's going to want to hear or see what you have to say. So keep promoting, get yourself out there and get as much visibility as possible, and good luck with your new company. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below, and I'll get back to you. And if you feel that this has earned a subscription, I would greatly appreciate that as well. Have a great day.